Here in the Southwest, we love our exterior wood accents, but with real wood come some real problems. Once your Viga tails start to absorb water and crack, they could channel water right into your wall, create damage, or also create an entrance for rodents and bugs and things you just don't want in your home. You want the beauty of wood without all the hassles and potential problems. So what's the solution? Fiberspan Concrete Vigas. We mold our Vigas from real wood, so you have all the beauty and characteristics of real wood, but they're weatherproof, durable, very easy to install onto a lag bolt. Once you install them, you will never need to replace them or maintain them. It's a permanent solution, the most durable Viga out there. So if you have any questions, visit our website, fcelements.com. Fiberspan Concrete Vigas, the beauty of wood without all the hassles and potential problems. fcelements.com. Fiberspan Concrete Vigas.